Perfect.
Yeah, as y'all can see, I got my workbenches cleared off. Everything that's on this one is a lot of the engine stuff that I took off of the donor. Some of it will be reused, some of it will be trashed. I got some parts coming today. But when we get back out here, I am gonna go ahead and start on the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this baby and get the putting it back together. All right, YouTube, before we get to painting the engine block, I want to discuss today's video sponsor. Today's video sponsor is Friday Parts. Aftermarket Parts Company. They reached out to me, sent your boy over a few parts for the build. So let's go ahead and get this baby unboxed and see what we're working with. Yeah, they real live sent your boy a nice little care package. I got 2 parts for Ruby and 1 parts for the Max. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby, see what we're working with. Okay. We got a Friday Parts hat. Ain't nothing like some merch. What we got right here is the front gasket for an LS engine. So this came with the oil pump kit. So I actually have a new oil pump from them too. Yep, got the oil pump right there. Or the crank pulley bolt. And that's a gasket, look like it's for the oil plug. Bracket kit and filter. So this right here is a fuel filter kit. I actually think it's a pump in there too, a fuel pump, like an external pump. I would put the link to every product up on the screen as I'm unboxing it and opening it. Oh yeah. So that's exactly what this is. It's the fuel filter and pump kit. That look like the pump right there. Bracket, fittings. That's the bracket right there. All of it feel like billet aluminum. Okay, we got some more goodies. Like we got some car insert, got a frisbee. And what we have here is for the Maxima transmission valve body or a transmission control valve. But this is the transmission valve body for the Maxima. Now the last time I did some work on the Max, what I did was replaced all of the solenoids. So all of these solenoids you see right here that's in this valve body, I replaced on the Maxima the last time I worked on it, and that got that baby back to the point where we can drive it pretty. We've been daily driving it, but yeah, when it go in the 2nd or 3rd gear, it jerks real bad. So when Friday Parts hit me up, I seen this on their website. It's a no-brainer, man. We gotta try it out. Just wanna go ahead and do a quick unboxing. There will be a link to all of these parts in the description and a link to their website. Okay, I got everything out the box. Like I said, this is 3 different products. This is a fuel pump along with a fuel filter kit. This is the oil pump kit. And this is a transmission control valve. All from Friday Parts. Like I said, there will be a link in the description to all of these parts and their website. If y'all want to give them a try, or swing through there, check them out. But yeah, FridayParts.com. Yes, sir. Now let's get back to work, baby. All right, once again, shout out to Friday Parts for reaching out to your boy for this collaboration. But it's go time, baby. Now we can get back to the engine. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get this baby cleaned up, masked up, and painted. Old pump, new pump. I just want to do a quick side-by-side comparison. Hey, look, I had to bring the towel up here because my mama needs some parts off of it. That baby been sitting down there, she dirty as hell. And you can tell, you can see a little rodent don't been all over it. Little rodent don't been having a time up there. And I noticed when I open the door, it's a wasp nest in there. Spiders crawling all over the windows right here. So before I can do any work on it, taking the parts off, and had some weeds growing through it. I'm gonna rinse this baby off. Spider webs all right there. Like I said, that wasp nest was right in there. Go ahead and drown their ass. Find you another car. Boy, that was a close one, YouTube. I don't drop the camera again. She working. Boy, that was a close one. I do got the protection plan on it, but boy, that was a close one. I don't like to be down, because I had to ship it back to the manufacturer for them to ship me a new one. She seemed to be operating right. Damn, boy, got to be more careful. Today is June 11th. Yesterday was my birthday. The boy just hit 40. But yeah, so the 9th, day before yesterday, I was at work. I got a call from the shop. They got summer rain running. What is go time? They got summer rain running. So he let me know a few things though. The transmission ain't engaging, which I ain't really know what to expect from the transmission. I bought it off Marketplace for like $200. So I'll probably either take that transmission to the shop, see about getting it rebuilt, see what's wrong with it, or I might just get online. I'm thinking I'm just gonna get online and order me a 4L80. It'll probably be a refurbished. Go ahead and order me a refurbished 4L80. Have it sent straight here. Have that thing delivered right here. The brakes gotta be bled, which I know that. Yeah, I know I was trying to do that before I took it there. And he said the alternator not charging, so he was like, he don't think I got it hooked up to the Holly, and I don't. And I gotta figure that out. But she running. Summer rain running. That's the main thing. So I'm about to get crunchy so I can go ahead and get everything squared away so I can bring her back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, today's video is we about to go ahead and get crunching on this motor. We're gonna go ahead and paint it, clean the surfaces. As y'all can see, there's a little bit of the gasket material still up there. So I got some 400 grit sandpaper, and I'm gonna take one of my sanding blocks, the longest sanding block that I got in my kit, and I'm just gonna swipe it until I can get that gasket material off, get the surfaces nice and clear. But that's where we at with it. So I ain't gonna do too much more talking, man. I gotta get this baby cleaned up on the outside and get it masked up, and then I'll cut y'all back on when we're about to start painting it. All right, YouTube, I hope the fan ain't too loud. You know what, let me cut it off right quick. Check that baby out though. Yeah, Mom Dudes got me that for my birthday. She had got me that one back there a couple years ago. And I was still over there at Aunt's house working on the car. But yeah, she got me that for my B-Day. But yeah, like I was about to say, now I don't got it all masked up. I got it cleaned up. I don't went over with the wire wheel. Got all the crevices. Got all my hose plugged. Don't rinsed off. I don't went around about 10 times with the air on compressor, blowing it with the hose. Dry it off. Now I'm about to go ahead and spray it, man, so we can get to putting this baby back together. I'm ready to put it back together. Gotta go ahead and get this out the way so I can go pick summer rain up top of the week. So I want to at least have this already put together so when I get summer rain here, you know what I'm saying? It's go time, man. Time to get this action. But yeah, I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm probably gonna flip the engine over. Cause I wanna paint I'm gonna paint the oil pan too. So I'm gonna flip the engine over. This front cover will be replaced. But I got it on right now. She getting painted. It ain't got no rear cover on, but I do got a new rear cover. I just taped up the holes up back there. Might need to put another piece of tape up the top right there. See a little hole right there. I'm gonna do some fine tuning. I'm gonna flip it over. Then we gonna get the spray in there, baby, man. Let's get it. I don't want too much paint going in there. I know that's just a water, but I still don't want a whole bunch of paint caked up in there. Not too much. Stop as much as I can. Right, get my glove back. Yeah. All right, it's stupid hot today too, so once I finish painting it, I'm gonna leave it sitting right here in the sun. I'm gonna leave it sitting right here. I'm gonna bring the camera over in a second. I got it sitting right in the sun. I know the. I'm gonna pull it over in the shade. Now I don't want it to be too damn hot. All right, so I got this turbo can. And this is my first time using one of these. Gloss black. Yeah. She been drying for about 10 minutes. It's about 100 degrees out here today, no exaggeration, so. 10 minutes should be way more than enough. It's my first time using this junk, dog. Let's see what she hitting for. Damn. Yeah, that turbo can work fast too, boy. I mean, she already got one coat up there already. Get some good coverage on this first coat, and I'm gonna let it dry. Probably hit it with one more. Man, it's crazy. I'm gonna let that dry. Then we'll come behind it with another coat. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. She won't stay recording. But yeah, that's one coat. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna let it flash. Then I'm gonna come behind it with another coat. Yes, sir. All right, that's it for that can. I'm gonna call it quits there. Like I said, I'm gonna roll it over here in the sun, but I'm gonna let that baby just sit and bake. Yeah. I'm gonna let it sit right here and bake right here in the sun. Probably roll it right over there in front of the toolbox. Oh yeah, she look good. Oh yeah, I like that. Yes, sir. You can sit in the sun now. Oh yeah. Let that baby sit right there and bake. It's hot. I'm about to call it a day. I got no fans, but they ain't no match to that sun. I mean, no match. All right, YouTube. It's been a couple of days. That baby been sitting there Sunday afternoon. I painted this baby Friday afternoon, and it's been sitting here ever since. So yeah, now I'm gonna take the oil pan off, unmask it, take the front cover back off. That way I can get to cleaning up the surfaces, get everything clean, and go ahead and start putting this baby back together. Yes, sir. I'm gonna roll it over here in the shade. She don't have enough sun. Hot, why? Baby look good though. She definitely look good. Probably go around the razor and that cover. Go around the cover in this oil pan with a razor. Just so I can get a good separation. All right, I got all the masking tape off. Now I can start cleaning up these surfaces. Get these surfaces clean, home, and then we can put it back together. All right, so y'all can see I already did one side. Got that baby looking good too. And I did the top part. Now I still got to do this side. Y'all see how it look. Compare to this side right here. Yeah, boy. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side cleaned up. All I'm using is 400 grit sandpaper and one of my long sanding blocks out of the sanding block kit that I got. And some PB blaster. I put some tape on my sanding block so the PB blaster won't mess it up, but yeah, 400 grit sandpaper, sanding block, some PB blaster. Yes, sir. All right, let me get to it, man. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a quick demonstration on this side. So, got the sanding block. I just hit it with some WD. Hit the surface with some I hit it with some PB blaster. Hit the surface with some PB blaster. And go back and forth, back and forth. I ain't even putting much pressure on it. Let's Trying to get the surface clean evenly. Now this is an iron block, so 400 grit, I shouldn't be able to mess it up anyway, but just to play it safe, I'm doing it this way. Now I was gonna go across it with the wire wheel, but from me checking online, I just decided not to do that. Even though this is an iron block, I still decided not to go with the wire wheel. Probably would have worked fine just to get the rest of that gasket material off. But once I'm done cleaning these surfaces up, I'm gonna clean out them the cylinder walls, and then we gonna hone them. There's gonna be a lot of debris from me doing this. And then once I get done honing it, clean the block up again. And one more good little rinse down, hit her with the air hose, make sure she's nice and dry and everything. And we can start putting this baby back together. And it take a little elbow grease, but keep at it, you get it done. Yes, sir. Starting to dry up. Hit it with a little bit more PB. A little bit more PB. PB ain't gonna hurt nothing. It'll help it glide smoother. I need to put some wheels on here that lock, so this baby won't be twisting on me and moving. I think I'm gonna do the same thing to the cylinder heads. Go across the surface like this, probably with the same 400 grit. And the cylinder heads are aluminum, so I ain't gonna go too crazy, but you already see how clean it is just when we hitting it with the brake clean. Yes, sir. I'll probably go over like 2 more times. Yeah, I'll probably go over about 2 more times. And then we're gonna get to cleaning doing the honing of the cylinder walls. Baby, let's get it. But yeah, YouTube, I got that baby cleaned up. As y'all can see, I went on ahead and hit the cylinder walls with the honing tool. I'm in go mode, so a lot of stuff might not get recorded when I'm in go mode, boy. All right, I went on ahead and got the bottom of it cleaned up where the oil pan go. Got them surfaces clean. I done ran out of PB blaster and brake cleaner, and it looked like it's about to start raining. I cleaned up the parts where the main caps go to. And I got the front cover clean. The front of it clean, the front surfaces with the cover, and the cam shaft retaining plate. Got all that cleaned up. I ain't really gonna worry about that surface rust that's visible on the inside. Engine will be full of oil soon anyway. But yeah, got that baby cleaned up, man. Yes, sir. I can reach my hand back there. I might can get that block back there, try to clean that back where the rear main seal cover go. Try to clean that surface. That's the last surface I gotta clean. Once I clean that surface, it's go time. I probably won't get to doing the assembly today, so I'm gonna make sure before I leave I wrap this baby up with a trash bag real nice and pretty. And I'll probably take some transmission fluid and rub down the cylinder walls and everything just to keep it nice and oily until I come back. When I come back, that's when I get a block of deep clean. Probably hit her with the pressure washer again just to get all the crevices and everything clean. But yeah, it's go time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Baby look good, what? And she dusty as hell. And she getting oily, but that's all good. I'm gonna give it another clean. But yeah, as far as the surfaces go, she ready to be put back together. Oh yeah, it's go time, baby. Let's get it. All right, so it's official. Engine block clean, ready for reassemble. Got all the surfaces clean. Just hit that back surface. For the rear main seal, got that surface clean. Where the oil pan go. Where the heads go, front cover. All the surfaces clean. Clean right here where the main caps go. Wiped out where I gotta put the cam bearings. Wipe that out real good. It's go time. But yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off right here. I was doing some editing on it last night, and she already getting long. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one off right here, and we pick up the next video. I'm gonna be installing the cam bearings. As soon as the video come on, I'm gonna be installing the cam bearings. And then we're gonna go from there. Get the cam bearings installed. Then we'll get the mains installed. Go ahead and get the crank put in there, and the pistons. It's go time, baby. Should be bringing summer rain home this week. Got to figure out what I'm gonna do about the transmission. That 4L80 that's in it, they said it ain't doing nothing, it ain't engaging. So, like I said, I'm still about replacing that. I got a few 4L60s laying around here. So I'll probably just slap one of them 4L60s in it for the time being. That way, all I really have to spend some money on is the stall converter. I just get one of these 4L60s I got around here, slap in there with the correct stall. We'll do the rear end, bleed the brakes, and then we're going to drive that baby. Ready to get some rain home so I can get the finish putting the finishing touches on them. Now, like I said, I'm about to I'll probably wipe the block down with some transmission fluid. That's all I got around here right now, some transmission fluid. Wipe the block down with some transmission fluid just to keep it oily. Just to keep that baby nice and oily until I get back. Probably be a couple days till I get back down here and I can go ahead and start doing the assembly on them. But man, it's go time. I've been anxious to get to this point. Well, yeah, man, y'all go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe. We'll bring that block back to life. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this baby up, get on this highway before it gets started raining.